When creating a new wedding and event, I can choose from a list of venues that I've inputted into settings. If I go to create and scroll down, you've got venues here and I can add a venue from a list. I'm going to show you how to input another venue into this list. So I'm going to go back to the event and then I'm going to go to settings. Go back to wedding and events. I'm going to leave that, that's fine. And go to venues. So here I can see that same list that I saw when I was in creating my wedding. And I'm going to go to the bottom here and I'm going to add a venue. Okay, so I'm going to put in the name of the venue. So Amaryllis Hall. I can then use the postcode lookup to get the right address. And then I can put in a contact telephone number and any other details. So if you've got a contact name or an email, you can put that in there as well. And then I'm going to save that. Okay, so you can now see that I've got Amaryllis Hall listed here. I'm going to click back into it and I'm going to add some rooms to this venue. And what this does is when you get to allocating your items for a specific wedding or event to a delivery location, this allows you to have multiple kind of places within that venue. So I'm going to add in here marquee and I'm going to add that room to venue and then it's going to list here and I'm going to add another one. So another location to get married within that venue is the Great Hall and I'm going to add that room to venue. And then I'm also going to put guest room. So that's if we need any bouquets, buttonholes, that kind of thing, going to a guest room that you want as a separate delivery drop to everything else. I'm going to add that room. Okay, and then you can see that they're all listed here. I'm going to add one more, which is the main house. Add room to venue. Okay, and then when you're done there, click save. To show you how those venues and the rooms that are attached to that venue work when you are creating a wedding and event and then you're in the delivery section, if we go to your wedding and event list, and I'm going to choose one that I've done previously. If I go to delivery, I'm going to allocate items. And here we've got Amaryllis Hall listed here. So we've got the main address at the top and then underneath we've got the 4 rooms that I can select for that delivery. So if the wedding's taking place in the marquee, I can select the marquee and that will be really clearly marked on your delivery list and on the rest of your wedding.